right.
Okay. Friday the 13th. Airsoft gun battle. Let's do this. Let's go.
Scene 1.
Scene 1, yeah. Well, gun battle 1. Okay, if someone shoots a cameraman, I'm gonna like punch you in the face.
Like you run out there.
Yes.
Like,
I think you can see my bullets on here. There they are.
Yeah, there's their competitors back there, if you can see.
Yeah.
yeah, like a curveball.
Hey, someone's coming heavy from that.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. No, he's not.
Yeah, Brandon's going stack mode.
With an automatic gun.
Yeah, how is that possible?
Cameraman's coming to your left, Evan.
Do not shoot me. He's making a move. They're both making a move. They're switching. They're switching. Eric the terrorist. That's what we call him. Eric the terrorist. Making a move. Oh, unloaded on. He killed. What? That's a big. He forgot. Nice, nice, Brendan, nice. Eric, you gotta get your glasses back. Evan's right behind the tree. Brendan, move. Don't say that ever again, please. Let's go on.
Oh, jeez.
Oh gosh, Eric the terrorist is back.
With his pink strap. I wonder if I could hit him.
Maybe.
Nope.
Nope, of course not. Oh, they're over by the electric box. Okay, there's Eric.
Go, Brandon, go.
Don't shoot me, cameraman, cameraman. Eric checking out his scar. Yeah. Oh gosh, he's screwed. You're screwed, Evan. Man down?
Help me! Help me! Ah!
Don't shoot, cameraman. Stop, get away.
The cameraman will die.
Ew, that's dirty. Oh my gosh.
Crossing the road. You gotta look both ways. Yeah, you're owning right now. You really are. Okay, where are you going? Where'd they go?
They're in the garage.
They're in the garage? Oh, the cheapskates. Nope! That like floated completely.
Get to the ground and we won't kill you! With my sweet.
Just tell us when the round's over.
Tell us? Okay. Okay, that was
Round's over? You guys quit? You guys suck? Okay, round over. Looks like Brand seems victorious in this one. Second round coming up. Second round coming up.